Good morning, everyone. My name is Aishwarya, and I'll be explaining to you about the Federation of Indian Export Organization. It is also commonly known as FIO. Let us understand the concept of FIO. FIO is an apex trade promotion organization in India. It is set up by the Ministry of Commerce, Government of India, and Private Trade and Industry in the year 1965. So that means Government of India and FIO are partnered together to promote the Indian exports. The organization is responsible the organization is responsible for representing and assisting the Indian entrepreneurs and the exporters in the foreign market. So what this organization does is it helps them to diversify the Indian businesses by assisting them to export it in the foreign market. The headquarters of FIO is in New Delhi. The agency executives are Sharat Kumar Saraf, who is the president, and the vice president is Mahesh Kayal, and director general and CEO is Ajay Sahai. The entry of FIO has espoused the cause of the exporters. That means it has supported the cause of the exporters and impressed upon the government to make the changes in its policies over the years so that the Indian exporters could become globally competitive. This means the government and the federation they coordinate and make the necessary changes in the policies that are favorable to the Indian exporters. FIO has been steadily nourishing and nurturing the Indian exports over 50 years now. It has been in the picture for a very long time, and therefore it has globally created a very successful roadmap for the Indian exporters. The Federation has also been acting as a platform for the Indian exporters and new businesses to find and create global market for their products. So the Federation also has its own website where the exporters can sell their product and the overseas buyers can buy it from there. FIO has provided high quality services to over 26,000 strong members and associates through various avenues. They also conduct various activities like exhibition, fairs, B2B meetings, catalog shows with the counterpart organization overseas to showcase India's products. It also holds seminars, training, awareness programs, workshop for Indian entrepreneurs. The sole objective behind this is to develop entrepreneurship in the international business and to encourage the Indian entrepreneurs. Okay, and besides this, FIO also organizes open house meets between government officials, exporters, and various other stakeholders so that the exporters and the other stakeholders can have a direct interaction. FIO participates over 50 international fairs, exhibition, B2B meetings every year around the globe. Awards and recognition. FIO confers the Niryat Shri and the Niryat Bandhu Award to exporters and export facilitators for their outstanding performance in export, and the Export Excellence Award to the members of its respective regions. So these awards are given to encourage and motivate the exporters to excel by awarding them with these awards, that is the Niryat Shri and the Niryat Bandhu Award. FIO has directly or indirectly served the interest of 2 lakh exporters and various stakeholders from medium, small, and tiny cottage sector to large industry like carpet and coir industry. The Federation has signed over 100 MOUs with the Chamber of Commerce and Trade and Industry from different countries. This is in order to promote India's bilateral trade ties and also to benefit the exporters. It is not only the textile but also the Indian auto sector that has made significant difference in the global arena. If you see, all auto majors of the world has set up their base in India, as a result of which the country has become a major hub for auto exports. Like for example, Ford, BMW, Tata, Lexus, Hyundai, all these automobile companies have their base set up in India. The scene is no different for gems and jewelry trade. The sector has grown from 2.9 billion US dollar to over 40 billion US dollar today. Its focus market approach has tremendously helped the petroleum sector also. In case of pharma sector, FIO has helped both small and large companies. Some of the examples would be like Glenmark, Cipla Limited, Conclusion, and Lupin Pharma Company. FIO has a well-established network of offices like you see Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, and Mumbai. It covers all the major economic and business centers of the country. The chapter office is in Kochi, Coimbatore, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Indore, Ahmedabad, Jaipur, Amritsar, Ludhiana, Kanpur, Ranchi, Bhubaneswar, and Guwahati. So, here in the headquarters, various important activities and functions of the Federation are performed and achieved through various dedicated divisions. These are the 12 dedicated divisions, that is the TQM, which is the Total Quality Management, IT, that is the Indian Trade Portal, MRD, Market Research Development, and Policy Division, Banking Division, Taxation Division, Infrastructure Division, Finance, Personnel, Administration, Estate, Publicity, and PR Division. So, what the Publicity and PR Division does is that whatever functions, activities, and events are organized by the organization, this division helps to promote it. And they have also joined hands with different state governments. The reason is to collaborate with the Ministry of Commerce and the industry to promote both export and import to and from the states. Besides, the Research and the Study Division, which was established in 2010, does ongoing research to address issues that affect the export from various states apart from other logistic, infrastructure, and transaction issues. Ease of interaction created by FIO. FIO has created an interactive chat platform for the exporters. So here, small exporter problems relating to the export procedure and documentation can be resolved instantly. Overseas buyers can order via the website. So they have their website where the exporters can sell their products and the overseas buyers can buy it from the website. FIO has also started online foreign trade policy for the benefit of the exporters. So here the policies are updated on a daily basis and the exporters also get to see the relevant customs and excise notifications. It has also started a toll-free helpline number for the exporters. And it also has a tie-up with the prestigious institutions so that it creates an environment for future exporters and the budding entrepreneurs. It has tie-ups with Birla Institution of Management and Technologies, Utkal University, Symbiosis, and various other leading institutions across the country. So they even offer diploma programs in exports. Those who are interested in starting their own export business can enroll for this diploma programs provided by them. The duration of which can be from 6 months to even few weeks. These are the references. So that's all about FIO. Thank you.